Hello, my friends. We will play and learn. Wow, this will be fun. Let's get started. This is the letter A. A will go right here. This is the letter B. The letter B will go here. This is the letter C. The letter C will go here. This is the letter D. The letter D will go here. This is the letter E, and the letter E will go here. This is the letter F, and the letter F will go here. This is the letter G, and the letter G will go here. This is the letter H, and the letter H will go here. This is the letter I, and the letter I will go here. This is the letter J. The letter J will go here. This is the letter K. The letter K will go here. This is the letter L. And the letter L will go here. This is the letter M. And the letter M will go here. This is the letter N. The letter N will go right here. This is the letter O. The letter O will go here. This is the letter P. The letter P will go here. This is the letter Q. The letter Q will go right here. This is the letter R. The letter R will go here. This is the letter S. The letter S will go here. This is the letter T. And the letter T will go here. This is the letter U. The letter U will go here. This is the letter V, and the letter V will go here. This is the letter W, and the letter W will go here. This is the letter X, and the letter X will go here. This is the letter Y, and the letter Y will go right here. And this is the letter Z, and the letter Z will go here. Wow, we did it! We have learned all of these letters. Now we will learn how to write letters. We will write the letter A. We will start right here and go here. Now we will go here to here. And finally, we will close it like this. This is the letter A. Now we will write the letter B. We will start right here and go down. Once we go down, we write a 3. And that is the letter B. Now it's time to write our next letter. This is the letter C. The letter C starts from the top and goes to the bottom. This is the letter D. We will start right here, and we will go here and curve downwards. This is the letter D. This is the letter E. We will start right here 1. Now we'll go right here, turn, 2, and last set part of the letter, 3. This is the letter E. Now we will write the letter F. F starts right here. That's 1. Now we'll go down. That's 2. And we'll go to the side. 3. That's the letter F. This is the letter G. G will start right here. Once we make that curve, we start right here and go down. This is the letter G. Now we will write the letter H. The letter H will start right here. Then we'll go right here. And then finally we'll bridge this together. This is the letter H. Now we'll write the letter I. The letter I is we just go all the way down. That's the letter I. Now time to write the letter J. J will start right here. That's the letter J. Now time to write the letter K. We'll start here, go down, then we'll start right here, and go right here. That's the letter K. Now we'll write the letter L. We'll start right here. That's the letter L. Now time to write the letter M. We'll go down. And now we will go right here. We'll go down, back up, and then back down. That's the letter M. Now we'll write the letter N. We will start right here, go all the way down, then we'll start here, and go up. That's the letter N. We will now write the letter O. Writing the letter O we'll use one line. That's the letter O. We will now write the letter P. It's just 2 steps. We go down like this and go like that. That's the letter P. Now time to write the letter Q. It's just like the O, but a little different. Once we have the O, we go right here and draw that line. That's the letter Q. Now we will write the letter R. We first go down, then we make a curve like this, then we go down like that. That's the letter R. Now it's time to write the letter S. We'll start right here, go like this, and like that. That's the letter S. We will now write the letter T. We'll start right here, and then we'll go down from here. That's the letter T. We will now write the letter U. We will start like this. We will end it right there, and then we'll come up here. That's the letter U. We will now write the letter V. We will start right here, and then we'll go up. That's the letter V. Now time to write the letter W. To write the letter W, we just use one line. We'll go up, we'll go down, then we'll go up, then we'll go back down, and back up. That's the letter W. Now we'll write the letter X. We'll start right here, go right here, then go from here. That's the letter X. Now time to write the letter Y. Starting right here, we'll go down. Then from here, we'll go down like this. And then we'll keep going down like that. That's the letter Y. And finally, we'll write the letter Z. We'll start here, go down, and end it off right here. That's the letter Z. Wow, you have learned all the letters in the alphabet. Now let's make sure you remember these letters. Do you remember what letter is this? This is the letter A. Do you remember what letter is this? It's the letter B. Do you remember what letter is this? It's the letter C. Do you remember what letter is this? It's the letter D. Do you remember what letter is this? It's the letter E. Do you remember what letter is this? It's the letter F. Do you remember what letter is this? It's the letter G. Do you remember what letter is this? It's the letter H. Do you remember what letter is this? It's the letter I. Do you remember what letter is this? It's the letter J. Do you remember what letter is this? It's the letter K. Do you remember what letter is this? It's the letter L. Do you remember what letter is this? It's the letter M. Do you remember what letter is this? It's the letter N. Do you remember what letter is this? It's the letter O. Do you remember what letter is this? It's the letter P. Do you remember what letter is this? It's the letter Q. Do you remember what letter is this? It's the letter R. Do you remember what letter is this? It's the letter S. And do you remember what letter is this? It's the letter T. Do you remember what letter is this? It's the letter U. Do you remember what letter is this? It's the letter V. Do you remember what letter is this? It's the letter W. Do you remember what letter is this? It's the letter X. Do you remember what letter is this? It's the letter Y. And finally, do you remember what letter is this? It's the letter Z. Wow, we have learned all of the letters in the alphabet. We will learn shapes. Star, plus, rhombus, square, rectangle, circle, pentagon, triangle. Do you remember what shape is this? It is a star. Do you remember what shape is this? It is a plus. Do you remember what shape is this? It's a rhombus. Do you remember what shape is this? It's a square. Do you remember what shape is this? It's a rectangle. Do you remember what shape is this? It's a circle. Do you remember what shape is this? It's a pentagon. And do you remember what shape is this? It is a triangle. Wow, you have learned all of these shapes. We will learn colors. Red, pink, orange, yellow, green, blue, dark blue, purple. Let's see how many colors you remember. Do you remember this color? It's the color red. Do you remember what color is this? It's the color pink. Do you remember what color is this? It's the color orange. Do you remember what color is this? It's the color yellow. Do you remember what color is this? It's the color green. Do you remember what color is this? It's the color blue. Do you remember what color is this? It's dark blue. And do you remember what color is this? It is purple. Wow, we did it! We have learned all of these colors and shapes. We will learn numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see how many numbers you remember. Do you remember this number? It is the number 1. Do you remember this number? It's the number 2. Do you remember this number? It's the number 3. Do you remember this number? It's the number 4. Do you remember this number? It's the number 5. Do you remember this number? It's the number 6. Do you remember this number? It's the number 7. Do you remember this number? It's the number 8. Do you remember this number? It's the number 9. Finally, do you remember this number? It's the number 10. Wow, you have learned numbers 1 to 10.